Thank you once again for tuning into our YouTube channel. What I'm going to do today is show you a home remedy or home solution. If you're drilling into a wall and you don't want drywall dust falling on top of furniture or falling somewhere where it's going to get hard to sweep the dust behind it, let's say it's behind a heavy piano or something like that, I'm going to show you exactly what you can do with just something that you already have in your home. It's going to make it so much easier so you don't make a mess, and it's an easier cleanup later on. So I'm going to put the camera down and show you what I mean. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take a regular envelope. You're going to fold the back this way, or if you want to use it like this, that's fine too. But what we're going to do is going to tape this to the wall. And what's going to happen is as you're drilling into the wall, the dust is going to fall into the envelope. But being that it's flat, it can easily fall over this way. So what you want to do is you want to take like a napkin and just wad it up, okay, like this. Put it into a ball and then just drop it inside the envelope. What that's going to do is basically going to fatten, so to speak, your envelope. So it's going to look like this. So as you're drilling in the wall, since you have all this tape, now I recommend painter's tape. Painter's tape will allow it not to peel off the paint. So as you're drilling, it's going to fall in there. So we're going to go ahead and give this a shot. So I got it on the wall. That's where I'm going to start drilling. And I cannot find painter's tape. I'm completely out. But I'm using electrical tape, which does not stick to the wall. As you can see, it's easy to peel back. So for a small project like this, just if you don't have that around and you do have electrical tape, you can use that. You can use Scotch tape. Just be careful in not pressing it too far into the paint, especially if you have cheap paint. This has the Behr premium paint. It's really good. So, but anyway, if you can look inside, you see the wad of paper, and it's kind of pushing the envelope out. So that's going to make it so much easier to collect dust if you don't want it to fall on your carpet, on upholstery, furniture, anywhere that it's going to be hard to get and clean it up afterwards. You're just going to catch it all at once. So let's go ahead and do it. Here we go. You see all that falling over? It's just falling right into the envelope. So when it's said and done, you can take a look inside the envelope, and you can see that in there. That could have gone on your carpet, on top of a sofa, upholstery, whatnot. And when you're done, after you get your screw in there or whatever you're doing, hook, you just peel it back slowly and you're good to go. And as you can see, the back of the tape, there's no paint on it. But you do want to use painter's tape. Now, I do highly recommend, and if you look down here, there's an electrical outlet, to not only use a stud finder, but use a stud finder that will also scan for electrical, and that's where this AC scan comes into play. So this is a zircon product, and it does find the stud, and it does tell you when there's electrical. It will give you like a lightning bolt in there. The screen will turn red. Really good product. I highly recommend it. So for anyone that's a DIY person, or if you're just at home and you're going to hang stuff in the future, don't just get a simple, cheap $15 stud finder. Get one this one will scan studs, metal, and of course electrical, and also does a deep scan. It's got all those 4 functions. So I'll post a link in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.